going to get started. This is going to be a real engaging sort of conversation and discussion. We're going to go over 3 of our packages here. I'm Dr. Rita McGuire. I'm the Chief Medical Officer for Wakana, and I'm one of the co-founders. And tonight, the eve of before Thanksgiving, I want to just go through some of the products so that you understand how they work, you know, why you would use them, and in what scenario that you would share these products with your loved ones and current customers. So first, we're going to go over the Royal Defense Deluxe Kit. I do know that Melissa, our CEO, was able to do that last Wednesday. I was called out for an emergency. But this is a kit that every single person that you know, as well as yourself, should have. We know that there are no cures for COVID, right? COVID is a novel virus. We've heard a lot of talk about the vaccine. In fact, this vaccine and 3 of the vaccines are going to be first administered to first responders and those who are on the front line, like physicians and ambulance and police and firemen. But in this kit are a lot of products that can help protect you and your family as we are going through this second wave. So we're going to go through those products. So the deluxe kit actually comes with 2 hotel travel safety kits. And if any of you are out there that have children like mine, my middle child decides to go to the Turks and Caicos, right? He's there now because it's cheap to travel. Not very safe if you don't have to, but of course, he went on this trip with our safety hotel travel kit. In this kit are 2 of the hand sanitizers. And what I love about the hand sanitizer, unlike the other hand sanitizers that many of you may use, is our hand sanitizer uses quaternary ammonium and not alcohol. Alcohol can be very drying to the hands, but quaternary ammonium is one of the CDC approved chemicals that helps to address the coronavirus, the novel virus that causes COVID-19. So this is a product that is easily flexible and carried in your pocket, like my hospital jacket, your purse, and it also includes masks. Now these are 4 layered masks, which are really great because not only are they comfortable, but again, they're offering you protection when you were out and about at work, at the grocery store. You always want to be masked up and social distancing. This is also a great product when you're at the grocery store. What I'm noticing now when I go shopping, there's very few, if any, wipes around. They don't have sprays to spray down your cart. So you absolutely can use this as a hand and a surface sanitizer. When you use it as a surface sanitizer, you don't have to wipe. You don't have to use any paper towels. All you need to do is spray the area, spray your hands, and let it air dry. So that's what I love about our hand and hard surface sanitizer. What also comes into this deluxe kit is the hard surface cleaner. And again, the hard surface cleaner can be used on surfaces. It can be used on your clothes. It can also be used, and I highly recommend that it used on the soles of your shoes. The coronavirus can live for 24, 48, 72 hours on surfaces. So you want to spray frequently your home, your area of work, your clothes, your shoes, with our product. It's quaternary ammonium, again, a CDC approved product. that will address the coronavirus that causes the novel COVID-19. Also in this deluxe is our produce wash. Our produce wash uses an amazing chemical that combines hydrogen peroxide and acetic acid. You know, the combination is peracetic acid. Hydrogen peroxide and acetic acid is peracetic acid. Peracetic acid is an FDA-approved chemical that you can use on fruits, on vegetables, as well as your meat. Our formulator has been formulating sanitation for meat for 45 years. And so we are really excited that we have a product that you can use during this time, not only to sanitize your fruits and vegetables, but your meat. Now, a lot of you out there may be using bleach. And who wants to use Clorox bleach on their fruits and vegetables and meat? So this is a safer alternative. It is environmentally more friendly. It is also a product that doesn't produce any residual chemicals like bleach does if you're using it on your fruits and vegetables. And it's an accepted product, peracetic acid, that is used in organic products. So this product, once you open it and you put your spray top on it, you have to use it within 10 weeks. So you want to put on the bottle when you open so you can keep track of when 10 weeks. After 10 weeks, you want to discard it, okay? Next product is our Essential Defense and our First Defense. This is also in this deluxe kit. Now, the First Defense I use every morning before I walk into the hospital. It's a nasal spray that contains CBD along with other essential oils that are directly applied to the mucosa in the nasal passage. That's where the viruses enter, right? Your T-zone. That's why they want you not to touch your eyes, your nose, or your mouth. That's how the virus can enter your body. So you absolutely want to use the First Defense to protect the entrance of viral particles, bacteria in your nose. Now, the Essential Defense is something that I personally use in my diffuser. I know this is really small, right? My diffuser at home. I put this so that the air has these essential oils, again, that help to address viral and bacterial and germs that can be around our home. Now that it's cold outside, we are now seeing that, there's no open windows or doors like it was when it was warmer. So you want to make sure that you are diffusing organic oils like our Essential Defense in your home. Very important. Black seed is also a part of this Essential Defense or Royal Defense Deluxe Kit. Black seed is an essential oil that is great for everything, for digestion, for inflammation. It's good for hair growth, cholesterol. Black seed has been shown in research to reduce the inflammation in the pancreas and beta cells. Those are the cells that help to produce insulin to lower blood sugar. So black seed is essential for our immune system during this time. Now, black seed is placed underneath the tongue. You should place 3 drops in the morning, 3 drops in the evening. 1 second. Who's there? Okay, I'm on a webinar. Is there an emergency? Okay, what is it? 3209. Yes. Sorry, guys, there may be an emergency. But black seed is a tincture that you put underneath your tongue, 3 drops in the morning, 3 drops in the evening. That's how I use my black seed twice a day. It's a great addition to It's a great addition to and for your immune system. So that's the black seed. The peppermint spray is in this. This is probably my favorite essential oil. Peppermint is good for everything. It's good for energy. I like to spray peppermint in the palms of my hands and infuse it just to give me energy. I like using it to help with any little bugs or insects. This is a great repellent for that. And it's just great to aerosol the area to have a nice, clean, inhaled air that's going on. So peppermint spray is absolutely something that you want to use to boost your immune system as well. So those are the products in the Royal Defense Deluxe Kit. It comes again with 2 hotel travel safety kits with your hand sanitizer and your 4-layer mask. You get 2 in each kit. Absolutely, we all need this produce wash with peracetic acid, which is a combination of hydrogen peroxide and acetic acid, and it's good to use on your produce, your fruits, your vegetables, and your meat. You can spray that down. You can also put on the bottle when you open it up because the bottle will expire the products in 10 weeks. It also comes with our hard surface cleaner. The hard surface cleaner, again, quaternary ammonium. You don't need to wipe the surface. You spray down the surface and it gives you protection for 24 hours. You can spray it on your clothes, the soles of your shoes. I recommend that you not wear your shoes in your home. You take those shoes off in the garage because you don't want to bring any germs in your home, especially during this pandemic. It also includes our First Defense nasal. You want to use that 1 spray in each nostril 1 to 2 times a day, absolutely, before you go in any grocery store, any area where there are other people. You just want to use it prophylactically, even if you're at home. And then the Essential Defense, I use it in my diffuser. And then, of course, the black seed, which is going to be used underneath the tongue, 3 drops twice a day. So that's our Royal Defense Deluxe Kit. And then there's a Royal Defense Kit, right? It has all of those same things minus your Essential Defense, your First Defense, your black seed, your peppermint spray. So either one of these are great Christmas gifts. Every household needs a Royal Defense Kit. Why? Because we can't control the virus, but we can control the host. Last but not least is our Wakana Founding Member Dispensary. How many people out there have gotten or have ordered their dispensaries during the early bird special? Put it right there in the chat because I want to know who needs their dispensary. So if your name doesn't pop up, then I know you need to order one. So our founding member dispensary, again, is an exciting time, offered once a year during November. We did have an early bird where you were able to order these early, but if you haven't ordered, or maybe you've ordered, let's go through the products that are in your kit. Well, I'm an existing founding member, so I was able to order the kit that's $7.99. If you have never ordered a full crown jewel dispensary, maybe you came in as a 30-day free test drive, or maybe you came in as a millennial or a stimulus package, then you're going to have to order the $16.99. But as an existing founding member, you can get now what is our existing founding member. It's $8.99 starting Black Friday. So what's in there? Well, our power gummies. Our power gummies are absolutely amazing. When you talk about a gummy can be used at any time of the day. You know, when we see so much anxiety that's going on and depression because of the global pandemic and social unrest and everything else is going and we're facing, a gummy is great to use to help reduce inflammation, anxiety. It helps with sleep, and it also helps to improve your libido. So on the package, you'll see sleep, sex, and inflammation. And that's why it says that, because CBD is an anti-inflammatory. CBD addresses insomnia by helping to boost up dopamine and serotonin. And then it's also a great product for those who have and lack libido. You know, CBD, because it has receptors, the endocannabinoid system, you know, has receptors throughout our body. It helps to address many, many, many challenges, because these receptors, when they're deficient in products that our body makes called endocannabinoids, when it's deficient, we need to take in CBD. So I think of CBD like a vitamin, right? It's a necessary product to keep our body in balance. We all need CBD because we all have an endocannabinoid system, and this system is out of balance. It's out of balance because of the food we eat, the water we drink, the stress we're under, the lack of sleep. All of that combines to a deficient system that we need to boost up with this great, great little product, CBD. So one gummy of our power gives you 10 milligrams of CBD, but it also gives you the legal limit of THC, which is 0.3% or less. So if you have drug screens at your job, we have an alternative. You can see I've already opened these. The alternative is our broad spectrum gummies. Our broad or our pure gummies give you the opportunity to pass a urine drug screen, but give you the relief. These gummies, our pure gummies, are 60 milligrams of CBD with less than 0.0% of THC. So theoretically, you can use these during the day and really, you know, use the power at night. You know, the power will give you that additional THC to help you sleep. Either one of these products work great for sleep, for inflammation, and even to improve libido. So these are the gummies that are in your package, your Founders Day package. And again, gummies take about 30 to 40 minutes to get into the bloodstream. So that's why gummies, because they go through the stomach, they go through the entire GI tract before they get to your bloodstream, you need to take gummies at least 30 to 40 minutes before you want to get in effect. Now, some people need one gummy to get the relief. Some people need 2 gummies. Some people need 3 gummies. Some people may need 4 gummies. But I always recommend to start low and start slow. Start with half a gummy and then work yourself up if you need another one. So more is not better when we speak about CBD. Start low and start slow. So those are the gummies. What's also in your package are pre-rolls. Oh my goodness. These pre-rolls are amazing because pre-rolls give you the onset of action that you need when you need fast results. So within 1 to 5 minutes of taking a pull on your pre-roll, it's a CBD joint. It's like a cigarette. It will get into the bloodstream. And that's what I love about our pre-rolls, are for those who smoke. I mean, everyone that you know that still smokes cigarettes, yeah, people still smoke cigarettes. You should put as a stocking stuffer, right? This is a great product for anxiety, for depression, if you need to sleep, if you're a smoker and you want to get off of nicotine, if you're a smoker of marijuana and you want to curb that marijuana intake, these CBD pre-rolls are what you need. Each pre-roll is 100 milligrams of CBD. 100 milligrams of CBD is a lot of CBD at one time, right? So you don't need to smoke the entire pre-roll in one sitting. Very important, because when you take in too much CBD too fast, too soon, you may have a side effect. That side effect may include nausea. It may include excessive fatigue. It may just not make you feel well. And we're trying to have people feel better. So please, 1 to 3 pulls on the pre-roll is all you need. What else is in here? Well, my favorite. So you get 4 of the pre-rolls if you're an existing founding member. You get 3, I forgot to tell you, of the power and 3 of the pure. If you're a brand new member, just remember everything is double. So let's move on to the next product. And it's Dr. Rita's rub. Oh my goodness, but it's in a pre-roll. I mean, it's in a roller ball. So all you have to do is just roll it on the area that's causing discomfort. Now this product is 200 milligrams of CBD along with about 19 other essential oils that address what? Inflammation, muscle pain, tightness, stiffness, pre-workout, post-workout, arthritis, lupus, fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, headaches. Put a little bit here on your temples. Wherever you're having dis-ease and discomfort, you can use this roller ball very easily. I love it. It's small. It's portable. You can put it in your pocket or your purse. It is a great, again, stocking stuffer for Christmas along with these pre-rolls. So giving you some ideas. Our Severe Power Relief Cream, this is an amazing product. It is a salve, right? This is more of a liquid. This is 400 milligrams of CBD along with essential oils. Again, it's a topical product. It is applied to areas of dis-ease. So if you have random drug screens and you want to use a power product, it's okay. It won't pass in your urine drug screen. So the power topicals are very, very effective and can be used if you have random drug screens. So this is a great idea. We have these little discs. These are great when you want to put a sample of the cream and give to someone so they can sample it, so they can try it out. So these are little containers that will also come in your kit. You'll get 4 of those. You'll get 2 of the topical creams. What else is in here? What other goodies are in here? Well, our flagship product, which is our 500 milligram Hempranium 500, our Power Hempranium 500. And power, again, whenever you see the word power, you know that this is the legal limit of THC in this product, which is 0.3% or less. This is a tincture, and it's a product that is placed underneath your tongue, 3 drops twice a day. Why would you use this product? Well, you could use this product if you have challenges in your life. Challenges like anxiety, challenges like depression, inflammation, pain, insomnia, challenges maybe with blood sugar, blood pressure. Any challenge that you have, CBD has been shown to assist with those symptoms and challenges. Not only do you get 1, but you get 2 of those in your existing founding dispensaries. Our Hempowered Hair is another product that is in this dispensary. Hempowered Hair addresses alopecia, hair loss, hair thinning. Maybe you want to maintain a healthy head of hair. This is a product that can be used topically, meaning you can put it right in the area that's thinning, that's causing hair loss. It also can be used as a tincture. Putting it underneath your tongue will cause this product to get into the bloodstream and also address hair loss and hair thinning. Well, it's not only CBD, 100 milligrams, but it's also essential oils that are in these products that help the hair follicle and hair shaft to maintain lustrous and more volume. You can use it anywhere that you want more hair growth. I have clients that use it on their eyebrows. I have clients that use it on their beards, men on their beards, um, patches that are lost due to a hairstyle, or maybe uh, chronic illnesses like lupus and fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, to name a few, can cause hair loss. In fact, it could be the very first sign and symptom in a disease entity is hair loss. So that is our empowered hair. And then also what's in this goodie box are 2 gold tins. They're empty. So you're asking Dr. Rita, what do you put in there? Well, you can put in the chat and tell me what you put in your tins, but you could actually put some gummies in there. You can sample, gummies that you may want to put in the tin and make little gifts that way. There's a lot of ideas out there on how to use the gold tin. So use your chat box and let me know what you're going to put in your gold tin. I'm going to put gummies in my gold tin and sample them. I'm going to put pain cream in my little disc and sample those. And then I'm definitely going to share a lot of these amazing products as little Christmas gifts and little stocking stuffers. So right now we've gone through all of the kits. We've gone through the Royal Defense Deluxe kit. We've gone through the regular Royal Defense kit. And we've gone through the founding member dispensary. Now, along with the founding member dispensary, you guys know you get all the bells and whistles. But I think one thing that you should know is that with the founding members kit is the opportunity when you purchase that, knowing that we are feeding and donating 10 meals to feed America. Food insecurity is a real problem. Since the global pandemic, it's impacted about 50 million people in the United States that are having issues with providing food for their family. So Wakana has included this in this founding dispensary, that every time you purchase one, you are feeding and donating 10 meals to feed America. So really excited about that, as well as you are now resetting the clock. Many of you may have never hit Sapphire. When you purchase this, you reset the clock where you are at a Sapphire level where you're getting paid those 6 levels. So that is really, really important. So with that being said, do you have any questions on any of these products? Oh, I want to tell you about the exciting buy 2 get 1 free. I got that too today. I bought 2 empowered hairs and I got 1 empowered hair free. That is a special. We have exciting deals each and every day this week of Black Friday. So you want to stay tuned for everything that's going on as it relates to buy 2 get 1 free, 30% off on Friday, reintroducing these founder dispensaries Friday. You want to make sure that you are in the loop and you are getting these products to share with your family members. But every single person needs this in their household. Absolutely. There's no question about that. I am here. The numbers are high. And what's different about the second wave of COVID, what we're seeing in the second wave, is that people are sicker, patients are sicker faster and quicker, right? So they're coming in respiratory distress. It's none of this lingering and they get sick. People are decompensating very quickly. So guys, this is serious. Wearing your masks that are provided here in these kits, providing, extra coverage in your nasal passage with the first nasal defense is essential. Very, very, very critical. So how to use the fruit and produce wash? Well, you connect this little sprayer to the bottle, right? And you spray your produce, you spray your vegetables, you spray your meat, you don't rinse it off. Peracetic acid is an approved FDA product for food, for vegetables. It's safe, right? It's a combination of hydrogen peroxide and acetic acid. It is an FDA approved product to use on your fruits, your vegetables, and your meats. So you want to use that. It's very safe. It's very effective. Stop using bleach to clean your produce, to clean your fruits. Nobody wants bleach in their system. Okay. Do you need to refrigerate it? Is that a question? Do you need to keep it refrigerated? Let's see if you need to keep it refrigerated. You let it air dry after you, nope, there's no refrigeration needed. You just need to put on the bottle when you open it because it's only good for 10 weeks. So the day that you take this top off and you put your sprayer on there, put that date and then put the end date. Count 10 weeks out, and that is as long as you have to, no, you don't need to rinse. You don't need to rinse. You spray and you go. You don't need to rinse your meat or your fruits or your vegetables. Is the oud oil in? Because I didn't know. The oud oil is not in. The oud oil will be in on Monday. So on Monday, everyone will have their oud oil. I was looking for my oud oil too. I was like, where's my oud oil? But it'll be in on Monday. What is oud oil? Is an oil that helps to not only address inflammation, but it's an aphrodisiac. So it helps you to get into the mood. Oud oil is a very old oil, and I'm super excited to get some of it. If you buy multiple bottles, is there a shelf life of the vegetable spray? The vegetable spray shelf life is 10 weeks after you open it. If you don't open it, it's good for a year. But why would you have this for a year? You need to open it and use it. Yes. What about people with respiratory issues for the bad sanitizer hard surface cleaner? Not understanding that question. What about people with respiratory issues for the bad sanitizer? I don't know what that question is. So the oud oil you're going to apply topically all over your body. Erica, can be an aphrodisiac, or it can just be a nice, soothing, beautiful oil. Are the expiration dates on all the products? Yes.
Dr. Rita?
Yes.
I've been answering some of the Q&A questions. Can you answer some of the other ones?
Oh, good. You answered them?
A few of them.
Okay.
I typed them, and there's a few.
Okay. Wonderful. Let me know which ones you didn't answer. Anything for weight loss? Our weight loss product is coming out January 1st, so you want to look out for that. It's a weight loss coffee. We do know that CBD alone helps to burn that white fat, which is that bad fat that accumulates around our organs, and it helps to accelerate white fat to brown fat, which is a thermogenic property that CBD has. So it helps to increase metabolism. It helps to decrease cravings. So just using CBD alone is very, very efficient in helping you lose weight, along with lifestyle modifications, right? So just taking CBD is not going to magically help you lose weight. You've got to work out. You've got to change your diet. You've got to do those other modifications. But our weight loss coffee, you want to stay tuned for that. That will be available for January 1st. Let's see. So the costs, what is the dosage? If you were invited on this call, which obviously you were, you wouldn't be on the call. All the costs, you're going to contact the person who invited you, and all the costs would be there. They will have all those answers. Dr. Rita doesn't remember all the prices, but what I love about our products are affordable. So we have so many products that are less than $50, $20, absolutely very affordable prices. So I think that is Larry Howard. Whoever invited Larry Howard is very excited. He's got a lot of questions about pricing. Oh, quaternary ammonium, no, will not have any effect on the respiratory system. It's not ammonia. We're not talking about ammonia. We're talking about quaternary ammonium, which is a very, very safe and effective chemical. And what I love about quaternary ammonium, it doesn't have that harsh smell. We're not talking about ammonia. I'm glad you pointed that out, Calvin. You want to spray your home, you want to spray hard surfaces, you want to spray your shoes, you want to spray your clothes. You definitely want to spray the soles of your shoes. Do not wear your shoes in your home. I can't stress that enough. You'll track all sorts of coronavirus particles in your home. You don't want that, but you absolutely can spray them in your garage. Any other questions? I hope you guys can hear me well because I'm using this new desktop. And so we want to make sure, do you have any products that work the same but does not contain the CBD? Yes, so we have essential oils. Our essential oils include black seed, which black seed is like CBD. Black seed does everything. What doesn't black seed do? So highly recommend black seed. We have a eucalyptus, tea tree, and peppermint. Those are our 4 essential oils that do not contain CBD. They give you and address inflammation, digestion, kidney function, liver function. We also have our essential defense. Our essential defense does not contain CBD. It's a combination of essential oils, again, that help address inflammation, help to address viral and bacterial infections, really something that is needed during this global pandemic. The hempranium with 900 milligrams. Okay, so the hemp-powered hair, I think you're asking with the 900 milligrams. Is that what you're asking, Erica? That was a limited edition, the hemp-powered hair 900 milligrams. The hemp-powered hair has gone back down to our 100 milligram formulation. That was a limited edition. I know, Letitia. Yeah, the 900 milligrams was a limited edition. I think that's what you're asking, Erica. But I don't understand your question. You say the hempranium with 900 milligrams, if CBD, who do you recommend that to? It's not the hair. So, maybe you're asking about the hemp MD. The hemp MD. So the hempranium MD is our most potent product, and I recommend that product for anyone that has pretty severe challenges in life. Those are folks who have limited mobility, quality of care issues, meaning that it's really hard for them to get out of the home. It could be a more challenging case of dementia, more challenging case, and I use challenging case, right? Because the FDA does not allow us to use words like cure, mitigate, treat. So you would never want to make any claims, but when you want to use that hemp MD is for more severe cases of symptoms that you want to address. And it can be anything from severe insomnia or severe arthritis, severe, any symptoms that cause those more severe conditions is the Hempranium MD. Yes. Any other questions?
It looks like Larry is
8:41.
asking questions about menopause.
Menopause?
Yes.
Yes, CBD will help address symptoms of menopause. Why? Because it helps to put the hormonal level in balance. When we think about menopause, we think about night sweats, mood swings, hot flashes, vaginal dryness. So those symptoms are addressed by CBD binding with those receptors in the vagina, in the ovaries, and the uterus, helping to put the body back in balance. A lot of menopausal women, we have mood swings, very irrational, crazy. It helps to bring that mood down, releasing more serotonin and dopamine to help us feel more calm and more relaxed and less crazy because of those hormonal fluctuations. So absolutely yes, CBD using our Hempranium 500. 3 drops in the morning, 3 drops in the evening is where I would start. Definitely for menopause, use a gummy at night. Definitely for menopause, we have a CBD lube if you need help and assistance with vaginal lubrication. Those are the products that we offer here at Wakana that would help to assist with symptoms due to menopause. So you see how I said that, right? We can't say that CBD cures menopause, but it will assist with the symptoms due to menopause. If I'm currently on prescribed medication for anxiety and want to get off, how soon can I begin these products? Well, you have to talk to your physician about coming off of any medications. We can't tell anyone to stop taking their medication. So if you're on medication for anxiety, depression, you have to talk to your physician. Let your physician know that you want to address your anxiety and depression with alternatives, one being CBD. So that's what you have to do. So you have a friend with achalasia?
That's the movement of the stomach, the lower esophagus.
Oh.
I mean, the dysfunction of the
Oh,
lower.
like reflux? Yeah.
Motor.
So any issues with the GI tract and lower part of the esophagus and reflux and pain? One, you've got to make some dietary changes. And two, CBD will help to reduce the spasm that is causing that pain because the muscle is contracting. It will also reduce inflammation. It will also help to prevent a lot of in fact, using the topical cream in the area of discomfort will help to reduce that discomfort. So I would recommend using, again, the Hempranium 500, starting with 3 drops in the morning, 3 drops in the evening. I would also recommend a gummy at night because a lot of these patients can't sleep because of discomfort and pain. And I would also use a topical, either Dr. Rita's rub or the salve in the area of discomfort. When we're trying to assist and help our loved ones and friends and families, patients, clients, what we're trying to do is help to reduce their discomfort. Again, we can't ever say that our products cure any disease. And so our goal is to help to assist with symptoms. If we can reduce someone's discomfort without that person having to use chronic Motrin, Aleve, or Tylenol, for example, for knee pain, we've really done a lot. If we can assist someone to reduce the amount of antacids that they're taking, because they're having reflux or pain. We're doing a lot. So you always want to talk to your client, your loved one, your family member, and let them know that we're not trying to say that this is a cure and end all, but we are very confident that this can assist and help reduce a lot of the pain, inflammation, anxiety, depression, and hopefully to reduce the number of medications that our loved ones are on. But you always want to recommend that they speak with their physician. You never want to pretend like you're a physician. You never want to lead them to believe that Dr. Rita is their physician, because I'm not their physician, but I'm here as someone that can really help you understand, again, how these products work. Simply, CBD comes in and puts our body in balance, and it does it through working with the endocannabinoid system. CBD is an anti-inflammatory, so in any condition that deals with inflammation, it should help that person. You know, inflammation is pretty much the culprit for 99.9% of the issues and challenges we deal with. Inflammation is a part of obesity, diabetes, hypertension. It's a part of all the inflammatory or autoimmune conditions like fibromyalgia, lupus, and multiple sclerosis. I mean, inflammation is everywhere in our body. So if we reduce inflammation, we can reduce a lot of issues that we're facing, from reflux to insomnia, to issues with libido, with issues with inflammation and joint pain. That's why I think of CBD like the best vitamin ever, right? Everybody needs to take CBD every day, even if you don't have any issues. You want to keep your body in balance and homeostasis. You know, if you want to maintain a healthy head of hair, you want to take empowered hair. You want to maintain the hair you have and maybe even have more volume and lustrous hair that you have already. So these products are meant to really address issues and to really keep our bodies in balance, keep our bodies healthy. You know, the royal defense, again, is to keep our homes and our hosts safe. Let's see if there's any other questions on the Q&A. I don't see any other questions. So, you don't need to be a doctor to explain to a person why they need CBD, right? They need CBD to keep their body in balance. Why do we need to keep our bodies in balance? Well, they're out of balance because of the stress we're under, the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe. We can't get around the air we're breathing, right? But we can make the air better. We can use, you know, our essential defense in a diffuser in our home, in our office, you know. So these are the things that you want to think about when you're thinking about your families and your friends during this holiday. You want to keep their home safe. You want to keep their host safe, their body, right? And we've got all of these amazing products to do just that, to keep our home safe, our office safe, our host safe, our mind safe, and that's what we want. That's all we can do. Well, we can do some more. We can eat better, right? I know tomorrow's a big day, but watch it, everybody, right? Don't go overboard. Try to fill your plate up first with protein and veggies, right? Just get a little bit of carbs. You don't need all those sweet potatoes and mac and cheese. So fill your plate up with the protein and the veggies. And then after that first plate, if you honestly can say to yourself that you're still hungry, if you honestly can say that you're still hungry, then go back for more. But go back for the protein and the veggies. because we can't get around eating a bad product, a bad diet. Okay, Erica, what products do you recommend for menopause? I recommend our CBD lube. I recommend our Empowered Hempranium 500 milligrams, 3 drops in the morning, 3 drops in the evening, and I recommend 1 gummy at night. That's what I recommend for menopause. Yeah, I know the mac and cheese is good, but guess what? Mac and cheese has no nutritional value at all, 0. Dairy has no nutritional value at all. Dairy is full of sugar. Cheese is full of sodium. So if you have high blood pressure, that's not something that you should be eating, mac and cheese. So just get a little mac and cheese. Just get like my trainer, just get a tablespoon, Dr. Rita, right? Just a little bit. But fill that plate up with your protein and your veggies. Any other questions? It's 8:52. We have 8 minutes. But if you don't have any other questions, then we'll let you go. Again, the Founders Dispensary will be available on Friday. Take advantage of the buy 2, get 1 free Empowered Hair. I know I already did. That is going on until midnight. And you want to get your Royal Defense Deluxe kit or your regular kit. You absolutely want to get that in your household and everyone else's household that you know. The Medical Advisory Board, you guys have anything you want to add before we close it out?
These are just awesome deals. I'm just tell you.
They're awesome deals, aren't they?
I hate I miss Monday, but I'm getting every deal every day.
Yeah, I got everything. I got the broad spectrum gummies, the Empowered Hair. What was it? Yesterday, Hempranium 500. Yeah, I got every deal.
Yeah. I tried, but something was happening with the internet, so.
No worries. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Have a blessed Thanksgiving, a safe Thanksgiving. Be well. Zoom your family. If you are not living in the same household with your family, use Zoom. I'm here. I'm here in the trenches, guys. And it's not a pretty scene. It's very sad. Young people are coming in and not making it. So protect your host, because we cannot protect, we can't control this virus. And it's real. And I'm here. And I see the patients that are in the ICU. They're 45. They're 42. And many of them are not making it. So wear your mask, social distance, and enjoy your family via Zoom. If these are family members that are not living in your household, it's just not worth it. Okay? There's other ways. You can use FaceTime. You can do all of that. So love you all. I don't mean to scare you, but I'm here in the trenches and I see it. The second wave is not pretty at all. So good night. We'll talk to you soon.